So this is to demonstrate the repair of needle marks in the surface of the skin when using medical devices like the pneumofix here for the needle decompression. So first of all, make sure all the device is removed. Then, as you can see, there are some minor holes within the skin surface. And what you need to do first is clean the surface using your alcohol wipe. Make sure it's clean and dry of oil. Then using your pre-mixed silicone, you want to spread some of the silicone into the holes themselves using the plastic spatula, just in the area where those surface holes are. Then you want to use your cling film and stretch the cling film over the silicone surface, as you can see here, making sure you stretch the cling film in all directions to ensure there's no wrinkles or creases. There are some air bubbles trapped in the surface, so what you're going to do now is, using a wipe, you're going to force those air bubbles out of the surface, going from the center out. You can also do this by using the edge of the spatula. Keep working over the surface until you see there is no more bubbles or surface bubbles and that the edge has completely been smoothed. Leave to cure or leave to set for 8 to 10 minutes. You can also use the silicone in the pot to gauge the timing of the cure. If you want to speed curing process up, you can use a hairdryer on the surface.